Good morning all of you. I am your maths teacher. Okay, today I am going to take block 3. Okay, 1 liter. How much milliliter are there in 1 liter? 1 liter is equal to how much milliliter? Yes, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, then my question, 25 liter, how much milliliters are there? 25 liter, how much milliliters are there? How can we find this one? Okay, 25 into 1000. Okay, how can we find this answer? 25 into 1000. One example I will show. What is 5 into 10? What is 5 into 10? 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Okay. Then what is 5 into 100? 5 into 100 is equal to 500. What is 5 into 1000? 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. What did you understand from these examples? When we multiply by 10, we add 1 0. When we multiply by 100, we add 2 zeros. When we multiply by 1000, we add 3 zeros. So, how can we find this answer? Yes, how many zeros will add here? 3 zeros. 25. Then how many zeros will come? 3 zeros will come. So, what is this number? 25,000. So, 25,000 milliliter. Okay. Another question. 4,232 into 20. We want to find this answer. How can we find this answer in an easy way? Okay, we can check it. 4,232 into, how can we split 20? 20 we can split 2 into 10. Okay, then multiply these two numbers first. Okay, do you know how to multiply two numbers? That you already studied. How to multiply? First write ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. First number, which number is in ones place? 2. Which digit is in tens place? 3. Which digit is in hundred place? 2. Which digit is in thousand place? 4. Okay. Then here what is the number? 2. 2 is in which place? Ones place only. So we can write 2 here because that is in ones place. Then into. Okay. Then multiply. Multiply means multiply these 2 with the first ones place. Then 2 with the tens place. 2 with the hundred place. 2 with the thousand place. Okay. First 2 with the ones place. Then 2 with the tens place. Then 2 with the hundred place. Then 2 with the thousand place. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8. So what we got? 8464. Instead of this number, here we can write 8464. Then what is remaining? Into 10. Okay. Then we know any number multiplying by 10, how many zeros will add? We want to add 1 0. So 8464 with 1 0. After 3 places, comma will come. So what is the answer? 84,640. Okay. One more example, can we check it? Another question. 3123 into 30. Okay. Then what want to do first? First we can write this number 3123. Then into 30, how can be split? 3 into 10. So 3 into 10. What is the next step? Multiply these two numbers. Okay, then multiply. What will you get by multiplying? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. First number, which digit is in ones place? 3. Which digit is in tens place? 2. Which digit is in hundred place? 1. Which digit is in thousand place? 3. Then 3 is in which place? Ones place. So we can write in ones place. Into. Then multiply as usual. I told 3 with the first this 3 with the ones place, 3 with the tens place, 3 with the hundred place, 3 with the thousand place. So 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9. So we got 9369. Instead of this number, we can write 9369 into 10 means how many zeros we want to add? We want to add 1 0. So 9369 with 1 0. Then put comma after 3 digits, comma will come. So our answer is 93,690. Another question. $2,726 into 12. Okay. Can I do this question like this? Can I do? Can I split it 12 equal to 10 plus 2? Can I get any easy method? No. So, we want to do this one in another method. If the number ends with 0, this method is easy. But here the number ends with 0? No. Here also the number doesn't ends with 0. Here also doesn't ends with 0. This is easy for when the number ends with 0. Okay. Here no ending with 0. So, here we are using another method. Do you know what is the name of that method? Okay. That is column method. column method. Column method. Then we want to write ones, tens, hundred, then thousands. Okay. Then write the digits. Ones place which digit? 6. Tens place 2. Hundred place 7. Thousand place 2. Okay. Then here ones place which digit? 2. Tens place which digit? 1. Then multiply. Before multiplication, I want to tell one thing. If we multiply two numbers, here ones place we can write only one number. Here also we can write only one number. Here also one number. Here no problem. Why? Here means last number only. Last place we can write more than one number. Okay. Then 12. What is 6 into 2? We know how to multiply. 2 with 6, 2 with 2, 2 with 7, 2 with 2. Okay. Here 2 into 6, 2 into 6 equal to 12. 12 means how many digits are there? 12 means 2 digits are there. We know here we can write only one digit. Okay, what we will get? 12 means 10 plus 2. So, ones place which digit is the 2. So, here we can write 2. What is the balance? 10. Balance is 10. 10 we can send into this place. This is tens place only. So, if we write 1 means what is the meaning? 1 10. That is 10. Our carry over also 10 only. So, here if you write one number means that is 10. If you write here 1 means what is the meaning? That is 100. Here if you write 1 means that is the what is the meaning? That is 1000. Okay. Then 2 into 6, 12, balance 10. 10 means 110 that we are sending here. So, 110 means here no need to write full 10. Why? This is tens place only. This place 1 means the meaning is 10. Then multiply these two. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus carry over. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus carry over is equal to 5. Then 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 14 we can write only 4 carry over 1. Carry over 1000. That's why we are writing only 1 enough. The meaning this 1 means 1000. Everyone are telling carry over 1. Here also telling carry over 1. But this 1 reaching here means its value is 10. This 1 reaching here means its value is 1000. Okay. 1 means according the place we are writing, value will change. Okay. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Then next I am going to multiply with this tens place number. Okay. So, this number is in tens place only. So, 1 with 6, 1 with 2, 1 with 7, 1 with 2. So, here you look, I am going to multiply which place number? tens place number only. So my answer, first answer will reach in tens place only. It will not goes into ones place because this is tens place number. Understood? So 1 into 6, I want to write 6 here only. Don't write here. If I am writing 6, unknowingly, that first question, okay, you also will write 6 here. Next question, what you will do? Next question onwards, your 6 will reach in middle or sometimes, or your 6 will reach here and all. Then mistake will happen. For avoiding this mistake, first we can write here 1 0. Okay, then no mistake. Then multiply. First we write the 0 because of avoiding the mistakes. Okay, if you are not writing 0 also no problem, but your number will reach here or middle last, you have confusion. Okay, if we write properly 1 0 here means no mistake. Then multiply. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 2, 2. Then add this number. Do you know how to add? 2 plus 0, 2. Then 5 plus 6, 11. 11 we can write only 1. What is balance? 100 because this is 100 place only. So here 1 means 100. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Then 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12. 12 we can write only 2. What is the balance? 1, 10,000. Okay. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then what is the answer? 32,000. What is the answer? 32,712. Understood all of you? One more question I will show you like this. $3,247 into 12. Okay. Then first what want to write? Ones, tens, 100, then 1000. Look at the first question. Ones place which digit is the 7, tens place 4, 100 place 2, 1000 place 3. Here ones place 2, tens place 1. Okay. Then into symbol. Multiply. 2 into 7. 2 into 7, 14. 14 we can write only 4. What is the carryover? 1. 1 means 1, 10. Then multiply. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. Okay, first row over. Next one we know we are going to multiply tens place numbers. So answer will come tens place onwards. So ones place we are going to write 1 0. Then 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. Then add this number. 4 plus 0, 4. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 we can write only 6. Carry over 100. Then 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 3. So, 38,964. Can we check one more question also? Two 2,326 into 13. Okay. Then first ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000. Ones place 6, tens place 2, 100 place 3, 1000 place 2. Here ones place 3, tens place 1 into multiply 6 into 3, yes, 18. 18 we can write only 8. Balance 10, that is 1 10. Tens place this one is going means 1 10. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 3, 6. Ones place over. Next we are going to do tens place. So, next row ones place we should write 0. Then 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Then add 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 6, 13. 13, 3. Then 10, 1, balance 1, that is 100. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 we can write 2, carry over 1, that is 1000. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 we can write only 0, balance 1, that is 10,000. 2 plus 1, 3. So, what is our answer? 30,238. Okay. Then, take the workbook, page number 14. First question, second question. Both we did easy way. The number ends with 0. Here also number ends with 0. We did how to find. Here means we want to use column method. Here also column method. The last question. A publisher want to publish a book that has 99 pages. So, one book, how many pages are there? One book, 99 pages are there. One page has 1234 words. We want to find how many words are there in that book. How can we find? Okay, we know first page how many words will be there? 1234. Next page also 1234. Like this going on. How many pages, how many times we want to add this one? Plus. Again plus. 1234. Like this we are adding means we will get the total number of words. Okay. So, like this how many times we want to add? We want to add 99 times. Is it possible? No. We need one easy way. What will be that easy way? We know multiplication is the repeated addition. So, instead of this repeated addition, we can use multiplication. Okay, so how can we find that answer? 1234 into 99. If you multiply, you will get the total number of words. Understood? Otherwise, 99 times if you are adding this one means very difficult. So, this is what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Within 2 steps we will get this answer. Okay. The next one, homework. Homework, page number 18. Page number 18, additional practice. Additional practice. Additional practice. Question number 4. Question number 4. In this question number 4, we have A to F sub questions are there. That question full you can do. Understood all of you? Okay, thank you.